Now let's take a look at private companies and their potential adoption of IFRS. Private companies are not regulated by the SEC and therefore would not be required to adopt IFRS. However, in 2008, the AICPA recognized the IASB as an international accounting standard setter, and as such, this recognition gives U.S. private companies and not-for-profit companies the option to follow IFRS. The needs of private companies are addressed in a set of pared-down standards released by the IASB in July 2009. These standards, called IFRS for Small and Medium-Sized Entities, or SMEs, were developed based on the needs of a typical mid-sized private company and are intended for non-publicly listed companies that lack the size or resources to use the full IFRS. The SMEs are less complex than the full IFRS and remove some of the reporting burdens that do not add value to the financial reporting by private companies. Private U.S. companies have the option to follow either version of the IFRS. Which version they select may be influenced by several competing factors. For example, because IFRS for SMEs is less complex than the full version of IFRS, accounting and reporting are less costly. On the other hand, a private company looking to conduct business outside the U.S. may find more value in using the full version of IFRS and having cross-border comparable financial statements. Here in the U.S., the financial reporting needs of private companies are receiving attention. A blue ribbon panel of experts, including the AICPA, made recommendations on the future standards for U.S. private companies. And the Financial Accounting Foundation recently established a working group to review the adequacy and effectiveness of the FASB's efforts in setting standards for private and not-for-profit companies in the U.S. Stay tuned for more on this.